Hello friends, welcome to my channel tagbees_home. Myself Pragnam, and today we are going to see the one of the best topic to identify duplicates and remove the duplicates and unwanted data based on the certain criteria and dates. Let's begin. In this table, you can see there is the order date, product, quantity, month, age, region, and product region, right? And we want to be remove the duplicate based on the product. So if the products comes more than one time, then it need to be removed, right? But there is a criteria. What the criteria is, like see, the Jasmine. Jasmine as it comes 5 times. We want only one time because it's a duplicate value 4 times, right? But that need to be deleted based on the date. So whatever the date, first date is comes, that record need to be kept and rest records need to be deleted. Okay, let me repeat once again. We need to remove the duplicates records based on the product, right? So if the product comes multiple times, we need a unique value. But that unique value, again, criteria based on the order date, right? So we need a order, that first order we need to kept and rest orders record need to be deleted, right? How we can do that? Let's use one of the function, remove duplicates. Go to data tab. Here you can see in data tools, there is a remove duplicates. When you press a remove duplicates, the one dialog box comes up. It shows all the columns. This is the columns heading. It comes all the columns heading. First of all, we need to remove based on the product and order date. Okay, so first we will see if we remove based on the product, what is the result. And we click select product and okay. It shows out of 26 records, 21 are duplicate and removed. 5 values are unique. So you can see here, jasmine, rose, lotus, blossom, daisy, all are wonderful roses, wonderful flowers that kept yet single records, right? But based on when we have seen our data, jasmine as a February is the first record, but this order date is not the February, right? So it's not according to our criteria. It removes whatever the first records that they kept and removed rest of the records. So Jasmine, the first record is the kept, and all the Jasmine related rest of the records has been deleted, which we do not want. We want based on the order date and according to ascending orders, right? So let's see how we can solve this issue. Here we will look for the same table, same data. We will first use a Countif function, right? So to identify a duplicate, how we can do that? Count if, very wonderful for function. There's two parentheses. We have seen range and criteria. We need to identify duplicate in the product based. So we will select product as a range, and each product, if there is a duplicate that can be identified, so we will select the same product under that column. So if jasmine comes under the multiple times, it gives the count how many times jasmine comes under this record, this range. It comes 5 times. So jasmine comes under 5 times in this range. We will select this formula and we will paste it. Now, when we see, let's see, we will select jasmine. And you can see here, this is 5 times. So each record mention how many times the duplicate records. It's a jasmine is a 5 record. So each record shows 5, 5, 5 because it comes in a range. But still, this is not the solution. When we remove the duplicates, again the same reason. So we want based on the order date. So February will be the first rank, then 9th May, 14th May, 27th, and then ranking should be 11. So we will give a rank. Based on that ranking, we will be able to identify which one the first record and which one is the second one. So all the 5 records gives ranking, and according to that, we will remove the duplicates. So let's see how we can give a ranking. Ranking should be given based on the Countifs function, right? So we will here use Countifs because we need a multiple criteria, right? So what is the criteria? There are 2 types of criteria we will use. First of all, we will identify the same functions, duplicate functions, which we have used in the Countif, right? Range, and the criteria should be the flower product. Okay. Next, criteria range. We need to give a ranking based on the order date. So for the range should be order date. And we need to give order date ranking based on the ascending order. So which is the first date in the year, that should be rank 1, then go 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So how we can do that? We will give inverted comma. For the ascending order, we will use less than equals to and concatenate ampersand sign, right? And we will select whole order date range so that it can be identified in this range, which is the first order date, right? And then we will press enter. We will select and apply the formula to all records. And let's see, are we able to solve this issue? Filter, Jasmine, and see. First overall should be February. Yes, February is the rank 1. Second rank, 9th May. Third is the 14th May. 27th is the 4th. And fifth rank is the 21st November. We are able to give the ranking, right? Now, we want to give, see another check, Blossom, right? So Blossom November, 11, October, November, February, May, June, August. So February is the least one first, so its ranking is the 1. Then May, then June, then August, October, and November, right? So if we want to delete now, that based on the duplicates and based on the ascending order date, we will need to select whole data here ranking and deselect 1 because 1 is the first order which we need to keep, and rest records we need to delete. So we will unselect 1 and press OK. Now we will simply select whole row, again Control Shift down arrow, Alt semicolon to identify each unique row selection, and then press delete, Control minus. Now you can see all the records has been deleted, which is not the rank of 1. Now see, Jasmine, February 1, right? The first record, 1 number, it's still kept. Now the duplicates has been removed, it's single. So by this way, using count if and count if functions, we are able to identify duplicates and give them ranking and delete those records which is unidentified, which is unwanted, right? So thank you. This is all the I have today. Thank you, friends. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get the new notifications of my new video. See you in the next class. Thank you, guys. Thank you.